monkey.
Zero, step on it.
It's like the very bad.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Diego back at it again with another video. Today we're gonna be going to Micro Center to build my boy's PC, and this shit is gonna be pretty sick. It's the first time me going into like a computer place like that. Maybe I might look around and see what I might do with my next PC. I might look around. Hell yeah! But once we get there, we're gonna smoke a fat. I'm already fit as fuck, but
The bong tug right now. Right now. Why are you sucking on it like a cock?
yo, David, say what's up.
I'm like, yeah, nothing would have happened.
Hell yeah.
These things are gas.
He was like, I'm gonna go get ice cream, and I was like, what? And then I looked at him and I was like, how do you know I have ice cream? Because your dumb ass goes into my fridge in the middle of the night and grabs those.
No, you gotta start the story off right. The ice cream truck was driving by.
Oh yeah.
I saw him, bro, when I was pulling up.
So I was like, dog, I want some ice cream. And then, yeah.
At least now you can see what everything's gonna be like. All the prices, everything.
Yeah?
Almost.
Almost. See you guys there? Yeah, so we made it here. And we made it with all the boys, and my Puffco decided to start fucking tweaking the fuck out, bro. I don't know why, but I am downloading some update that it has, but I have no idea if it's gonna work, but hopefully it does, because if not, I'm not trying to spend more money. I'm fucking buying another thing. We're at the boys right over there.
Diego,
Yeah,
thank you.
I got
This
you.
shit was gas.
Yeah, hell yeah. Brad!
Hey, what's up, baby? You
Yeah.
ready for this today?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, let's get it done.
Yes, sir. This fool's about to blow. It's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be crazy.
Gonna take some beaties. Gonna take some beaties.
I'm gonna go to the restroom, Diego.
Alright. Boom. Alright, we got it working. Take a BT. Yeah. Are you ready for this PC build?
Yeah?
Shit's gonna go
It's gonna go
crazy.
everywhere. You gonna be hot in it like fucking.
There you go, my boy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this fucking tweaker.
Oh, look at this shit.
That's all crack.
Let's get it.
4070.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna tag up your lens with some Sharpie.
Damn.
Jazz.
Jazz.
You've been scrolling across the entire thing.
Look at this fucking immigrant. You said him, boys?
Head in.
Yeah. Look at Jack. He just fucking sapped on my drink and left it. I'll have over now.
Got the IS. Oh shit. I'm gonna get my phone. Yeah. I'm faded. Yo, is that Shaq? The hell? Damn, that's how tall he is. You're pretty like, you're up to his like shoulders.
First thing we're at is power supplies. We gotta find the Corsair RMX series.
RM.
I think this is it.
A different box for.
Why, does it look different or what?
No, it looks the exact same right here. But look at the box. Alrighty, well.
Do we have like a cart or something? Should we get
Yeah,
a
we
cart?
might want to walk over and get a cart.
Let's go get a cart. What the?
Try it?
Can we try it? You gotta put the clutch in and then switch gears.
From where?
Probably paddle shifters on the right. Yeah. Yo. Oh, dude, it moves.
I can't drive it. Wanna try?
Okay, I'll try it. Dude, what the hell? Oh shit. This shit's hard, bro. Yeah, you gotta try this shit, bro. I gotta try this. Take it. Shit spins out all the time.
Alrighty guys, we are on the hunt right now for the Lion case.
The Lion LI411.
011.
011? Those are my boys. See what they're up to.
I still have it.
What's up, monkey?
Gonna get a headset?
Yeah, dude. Mine are dying on me, and these are good.
Dude, I've been dropping my Logitech and one side is like gone. Yeah, I can barely hear shit. I have to like adjust the thing in the mic output type shit. Brad right now is looking for the case.
Case?
Yeah, the case.
Let's go help him out.
Alright, but gonna like,
Bro, you see, that's a real gamer right there. If you got that inside your house,
huh?
that.
That shit's sick.
Hey, I'm getting a 4090 for the same price as the 4060 or 4070.
Oh shit.
4090.
Damn.
Oh hell yeah. Got lucky. Whoa, I'm fucking chilling on this chair. Bro, there's a ton more, bro. There's like rows and rows of chairs.
For a good upgrade, 370. That's a lot.
Yeah. But then you're not gonna need to upgrade for a while.
This is crazy, bro. It's like a whole freaking store filled with a bunch of goodies.
I just got my paycheck today too, so it kind of added on top of that.
I'm gonna be spending more than what I expected, but I'm gonna be in the top 1% of gaming PCs, so it's worth it.
Okay. Would you spend this much money on a PC?
Basically bought his car again in PC form. Basically bought a
That is true.
small ass car, huh?
Shit, I'm not putting this shit on.
Put it on.
Nah. Brad, come on. Getting these, I'm gonna fuck.
Did you feel them?
No, I did not. But cheeks got cushion.
The fuck? My boy's getting all of Brad's things. Hell yeah. See him getting all your things?
We have Turtle Beaches.
Crazy. Let's go look at the TVs, boys.
Celebrate by spending
Let's go
more
see
money
what we're gonna
on,
put in our
on
apartment. Or should I say mansion? Adrian, you don't even own a gun, bro. Shut up.
Card. 150 or 250.
Your stuff will be waiting for you up at the front. Do you have any other questions or anything for me?
No, I'm chilling.
It'll be up there waiting for you. Just give them that sheet once you get the front of the line. Great, appreciate it. Did you have approval with our home office by any chance?
For what?
While we do allow filming, we usually request that our home office is notified.
It's like a shoebox. Oh! Oh my
Be careful.
god. I got warranty on it. I can do whatever I want with this thing.
I don't know about whatever. Just like
The box this came in was better than the box my PC came in.
Ooh, you excited?
I'm so excited, dog.
Yeah, yeah.
I was like, just a lot. You don't want to pop your pen?
Hey, Jack, you're gonna.
David got the new Prada glasses? Clean. Okay. You're crazy, bro.
Is that a 4090? I need to confiscate that. It's going into evidence.
It's not a methyl lab or nothing. Yep. No need to look under it. Nope.
It be a PC.
Let's see
No,
what
I'm
damages
over
look
there.
like. We've noticed some unusual. No, it was not me.
Cam's the fuck out of the bank, gets all his money back.
Do you recognize these transactions? Now is the moment to say yes or no.
Say no, get your money back.
That would be $5,400 back. That's a $5,400 PC.
That's nuts.
Nope, don't recognize it. I'm like semi-tempted to. I can't. It's a lot of
You'll
money.
get in trouble. You'll get in trouble.
There you go. 49.
Did I get you?
Still chilling.
A little bit.
No way. I want
Yeah, you got like, yeah, you're still chilling, bro. Chilling.
What? Did you?
Oh, GTR!
R32.
Damn.
Yeah.
I was like, you gotta tuck that in a little bit.
It's looking a little suspicious.
It is a ski mask.
Homie's getting shiesty on us.
Yeah, so we're gonna give the car wash a quick clean.
Canola bar.
Put that shit in here.
Hell yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys after we're done washing this shit.
Ooh-wee! Is it ready? How's the PC build going so far?
It's pretty good. We got
Everything
about
working out?
halfway. We got about halfway today. Tomorrow we're gonna finish it up and then download all the software and everything for it.
Perfect. Perfect.
fucking Sahara desert out here. We have no water. We don't have any water in any of the cars.
We're not gonna have any water.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna be taking some dabs real quick. Shee, that's a JZX. Ooh, that was clean, that was clean. And then after that, we're gonna go check out all the whips. There's some clean ass whips around here, bro. It's looking really sick. And then we got that whole parking lot we gotta go see over there. And there's just a bunch of clean whips over here. Look at this shit. Oh shit. Ah.
Involves the letters B and T.
Bangtok?
Yeah!
Let's go. Got all the G's over here. Oh yeah. Super. Ooh.
You like my car, bro?
Dude, I'm just fuck with this RCF, bro. This shit's hard. Alright, so I went around the lot looking at some cars, but we got my car, my little whip, yeah. And then we got the boys and their whips. I'm probably gonna take another dab, if I'm gonna be honest. Hey, boys, there's an RX-7 over there. That looks.
It's made by my grandma.
Made by your grandma? What the hell? Dab, is there? I mean, Jack, is there another dab in there? This is why he's my homie right here. He's the best. He's setting up my dab for me. I'm finna take a dab. And I think after that, right, boys? I'm pretty sure after my dab, we'll go. All right. They shook their heads, so for sure. So I think after that, we'll go. We're gonna go look at some more whips across the street. There's gonna be some really fucking fire ass whips over there. But hell yeah. 250? 250.
Two smack.
Two smack?
Two smack.
Nah.
My hair looks
Just
bad
got
too.
you.
Put you right here.
Big chilling. We're heading over there right now. Hell yeah. Alright, so we're gonna walk over to the crosswalk right now because they told us not to fucking walk across the street. And I'm not trying to be the center of attention because fuck that shit.
I just heard somebody say don't walk across the street, so I was like, okay.
Alright, let's not listen. Let's not listen. Oh, why am I
Oh, that's sick. Ooh. Damn, I think we're heading out. It's clean. Ooh, GTO. Who's your Mini Cooper? My boys went over here. I was like, where the fuck did you guys go? Huh?
You said goose?
Get the police. Uh-oh. Track hook?
I think something's broken.
Another one? That's it. It's clean. Alright, so we finna walk back. I gave you a little sum over there where the main spot was, but we finna go over to where we parked, and it looks like there's a car meet over there, and it looks way better. Also, I need to get gas before we leave.
Camera wants to you too.
Huh?
Grab to you.
Flexes.
Where is it?
Wow, I bet.
Right here.
Hell yeah, bro.
Subscribe on the spot.
Appreciate
There you
you,
go.
bro.
Oh, 23 subscribers.
Hell yeah.
What's up?
Gas station is basically.
That is true. Old VA classic muscle.
That's how it.
That shit's clean. Hold on. Lexus under it, bro. This shit's fire. This shit's Honda Accord with the little flappy tags. The tow hooks. Gas prices still shit. That shit's fire. Alright. Okay, there you go. Oh yeah, those are fine. I like it. Then I got my Jordan 11s. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. These shoes, so comfy. Yeah. So comfy. I'm not even gonna cap. My ankle feels like that. Yeah. Securing that shit. I think my boy, he's just chilling.
Alright guys,
you know,
time
he's
to
just
go.
doing his thing. Ah, okay.
We're gonna start establishing tickets, selling cars. Got a couple minutes to get out of here.
Sounds good. Sounds good. We are gonna do. Dude, here's a yellow fucking Mustang that swung it, bro. That shit was clean. I couldn't get it, but nice, bro. So nice. Yeah, damn, look at that big ass turbo. Oh my, bro. Just a masterpiece, bro. Beautiful. Turbo's huge, bro. This car is clean as hell. I love the original Honda wheels. Those are gas chains with this boy right there. Alright, I think we're probably gonna head out because the cops said they're gonna establish tickets or some bullshit. But I don't know. The boys are in the car. Second Addy. I don't even know, my boy. I don't even know where the second Addy's at. Let's see, let's see. Hey, did you hear that? Second Addy. You guys wanna go? Alright, we'll go. Hop in. Vámonos. Alright, my boys, so we finna go to the second Addy. I gotta search this shit up real quick, and then I'll bring the camera over there and see what else we get, and maybe we get some clips on the way there with some nice ass whips. Hell yeah. So nice. ZL1 Corvette, my bad. That's a ZL1. That shit's hard. Things are clean. Oh, I'm running out of battery. Alright, I'm probably gonna catch you guys on the iPhone because I can't film for shit. But yeah, it's loud as hell. Okay, so I didn't even do a freaking outro, so I'm gonna do an outro right now. I'm editing the video. It's currently 1:17 a.m. on a Tuesday. This is the weekend vlog. I'm gonna be doing this. Hopefully trying to upload every Monday or Tuesday. Look out for those videos. But yeah, I'm doing the final touches, and I hope to see you guys next weekend and hope we can do something. And I'll catch you guys all very soon. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and you guys, whatever you guys are doing, hope you guys get through it, and you know, you guys get things done, and just, you know, just always keep that positive mindset. But yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful time watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all later. Oh yeah.